someday, I feel kind of free. We're still the kids we used to be. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another Yeezy DIY boot, and this is for the most recent fall winter collection. Alright guys, so after messing up on this shoe a couple of times, I realized the best method is to just put the shoe on and then measure it that way and cut individual rectangular pieces and place it along the shoe. I'm using hot glue because it's my favorite, and I'm just showing you guys how easy it is. Just do a couple of lines, then place it down, and then just take an X-Acto knife to cut off any extra threads. Just try not to cut through the actual boot, because I did do that a couple of times and it did not look good. Try to line up the pieces so they kind of fit seamless. I realized the best method to do this is to do it in pieces because of the way that it's kind of sloped. I learned that the hard way, so just trust me, do it in pieces. As for the back of the heel, I decided the best method was to use a long rectangular strip and place it on either sides and connect it and trim the excess with the X-Acto knife. If you guys remember in the beginning, I measured this part of the actual boot, so now I'm just sewing it together and leaving maybe an inch or two so I can actually get this part over the heel. So after that, you just place it right over the boot and you connect it to our puzzle piece that we made earlier. And then that inch that you left out, that helped us to fit the shoe on. Now we can fold that over and hot glue it. So this is something that might take a couple tries for you to figure out what works best for you. I had to use the X-Acto knife to finish up all the edges that I couldn't fold under. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video on how I did my DIY Yeezy boots. Like, if you guys do it, don't forget to tag me. I would love to see. Please like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!